Hello, today I'm going to show you this beautiful lunch bag. It is so cute. It comes in a variety of colors. My daughter chose the light blue with the navy. We love the gold zippers on this. It has lots of room for everything without being too big. So all of our favorite lunch supplies will fit perfectly in here. And we don't use these all at once, so I'm just going to show you kind of how some of this, like we always use the freezable lunch bag with the thermos. And then we also have we use these flat cold packs, and those fit flat or they would fit on their side. Like this little box, the Bento boxes fit flat as well. This front pocket is perfect for a hand sanitizer. Also, you could put extra utensils in there as well and napkins. This bigger bento box fits nicely as well. So as you can see, this lunch box is perfect no matter what size your lunch containers are. And it's very cute, very durable, and it wipes off very easily with this material. So it'll make a great lunch bag for school or work.